Hello, my name is Steve Hermes from Xverter Solutions, and I'm going to talk about some software I've developed over the past few years involving alternative energy and process control. This presentation is made possible by the good folks at Xverter Solutions. Xverter Solutions, helping bring energy independence to the masses. For the past several years, I've been involved with Heart Transverter SA in developing the HT2000 system. The system consists of the following components from left to right. 2000 watt grid tie inverter, referred to as a power module. One or several of these can be connected together. The remote panel that provides a user interface and a USB connection to connect to a standard PC. And an optional module 13 with current sensing and 6 relays to monitor and control both AC and DC loads. Altogether, this system provides a good base for energy independence using alternative energy. My primary role at Heart Transverter was developing the T program, or the Transverter Engineering Application. It's a Java-based application that runs on a standard Windows-based PC. It provides all the information you need to run an HT2000 system, setting configuration values, monitoring values, and also does a graphical display of the data. To enable web-based access to this system, I added a web interface based on the XMPP protocol, and that required development of another piece of software that I refer to as the web interface panel. And I'll talk about that next. The web interface panel is a Java servlet-based application that will run in your web browser. It can access any HT2000 system that has an internet connection. In this example, we're displaying the remote panel, the actual values on the remote panel, and current and voltage readings from that system. From this application, you can actually remotely press buttons on the remote panel, changing parameters, displaying different information on the system. You can also control the module 13 relays, opening and closing them and monitoring the voltages and power readings from the module 13. All the communication takes place via the XMP protocol. This protocol allows you to authorize and exclude users to access your remote system. Commands are sent to the remote system via simple text commands. The responses are also simple text that are then parsed and displayed. Here you can see an example of some of the commands. As my involvement with Heart Transverter diminished, I've got involved with several other companies. The primary one is Infinite Automation in Colorado. I've had the pleasure of working with Joel Hager on improving his primary software product, Echo Dashboard, and as we improved this product, it became apparent that it was a good fit with Heart Transverter's HT2000 system. In my next video, I'll talk about the integration of these two fine products. Hope you'll tune in.